Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Step 1. Plan the page before you click anything. Decide the page name, primary category, and a concise purpose statement so visitors immediately know what you offer. Use your personal Facebook account to create and manage the page and assign admin access later. Prepare a profile image and a cover image that match your branding. Use high-resolution files and consistent colors and fonts. Write a short bio and a clear call-to-action idea so setup proceeds smoothly and you avoid edits later. Step 2. Create the page using desktop or mobile. On desktop, go to your Facebook home, select Create, then choose Page and follow the guided fields. Enter the page name and choose the most relevant page category from the drop-down. This affects search and suggested placements. Add a short bio or description, upload your profile image and cover image, and set a username if available. Review privacy and messaging preferences, then click Create Page to publish the shell of your presence and continue configuring settings. Step 3. Optimize the page before you promote it. Complete the about details with contact phone, email, address or service area and operating hours so customers can reach you. Set a call to action button such as contact, book now, or send message to drive immediate engagement. Configure messaging responses and add page roles if other team members will help manage activity. Publish an introductory post with a clear offer or value, then invite friends, share in related groups, and track initial insights to refine content strategy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.